Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this ombre look on Dress to Impress. So I just did a custom face here. You can use any face you want, and I'm just going to color my hair this color for a pink ombre purple look. I'm going to use these hairs. You can use, again, any kind of hairstyles you'd like to use, obviously. And then I am going to use well, I will go here first, and I'm just going to use the Elsa sleeves here to transition from purple to blue. Like that. And I'm also going to add this thing on. If I can just find everything here. Wait, not this one. Well, I could have done that there, but anyways, that's besides the point. I'm just going to color that blue too. Okay, for the outfit, I am going to be using this set because I just like it. And then for this color, I'm going to use this pink. And then I'm just going to make this color blue. Let's do like a matte color instead. I'm just going to save that color here. And then for this one, I'm going to color it the same pink. And then I'll just color that purple. And then that purple as well. And then I will also be using the skirt. And I am going to color it blue, but like the matte one. And then blue too here. But I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. And I am going to use the matte color as well. Hold on. Let me just copy and paste this. I'm not really liking the colors here. Okay, and I'm just going to do that. And then for the skirt, I will be using this from VIP, but it is optional. Like, you're just going to layer as much as you can. And I'm going to make that purple, but like in matte, I think, or maybe just a little bit of silk. Like this color, super cute. And then I'm also going to layer, where is it? This one as well, and I'm going to color that one blue. Wait, I need this from VIP. Also, I want to use this top as well, and I'm going to color that like a lighter pink with some like purple embellishments, just so that we can kind of make it an ombre. And then for the bottom, I am going to use this here, and I'm going to color it that blue color here, and I'm going to make it darker. I'm going to layer it with this one, and then I'm also going to color it blue, possibly making that darker. For the shoes, I'm just going to use these ones. Hopefully we'll cover everything. Perfect. And I'm just going to color it that blue. And you can add more embellishments and stuff like that, and more accessories if there's space. Hopefully I do have space here. Let me just select this. I'm just scared it's going to go over the maximum of items I have here. But apparently not. And that is how you can create an ombre fit in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.